Welcome back to Moto Market Explore. Today, we're touring America to uncover 15 classic motorcycles for sale, featuring real listings, real prices, and timeless machines still waiting for the right rider. Number 1. 1974 Harley-Davidson Ironhead, $4,000, Indiana. This 1974 Harley-Davidson Ironhead represents the raw, mechanical era of American motorcycling. Finished in classic red, this bike retains its original right-side shift, keeping the riding experience true to the period. The seller notes that it runs well, features custom pipes, and comes with a new battery, making it a strong candidate for riders who appreciate vintage character without sacrificing usability. With a clean title and openness to cash or trade, this Ironhead offers flexibility for buyers. It's an old-school Harley that delivers unmistakable sound, presence, and mechanical simplicity, ideal for collectors or riders seeking an authentic 1970s Harley experience. Number 2. 1974 Triumph TR5T Trophy Trail, $4,500, Wisconsin. The Triumph TR5T Trophy Trail is one of the most collectible dual-purpose British motorcycles ever produced. This 1974 example is described as super rare and remains in excellent condition, running and driving properly. Known for its lightweight feel and versatile design, the TR5T blends off-road styling with street capability. This bike appears largely stock and retains the qualities Triumph collectors search for: originality, rideability, and historical significance. With a clean title and strong mechanical condition, this trophy trail is not just a display piece, it's a functional classic that stands out in any vintage lineup. Number 3. 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket, $3,000, Pennsylvania. This 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket delivers classic British twin-cylinder charm with honest ownership history. Recently tuned by a Triumph and BSA specialist, it runs well and has been regularly maintained with annual oil changes. While it shows typical vintage traits, such as a minor oil seep and a non-functioning horn, it remains a solid, usable machine. The seller includes extra fluids and even a motorcycle jack, adding practical value. With a Pennsylvania title in hand, this Lightning Rocket offers a genuine riding experience for enthusiasts who appreciate mechanical authenticity and classic British engineering. Number 4. 1970 Norton Commando 750, $5,200, Ohio. Few motorcycles capture British performance heritage like the Norton Commando. This 1970 custom example retains matching numbers and features period-correct paint completed in 1976, preserving a snapshot of its era. It starts and runs, draws attention at shows, and comes from a previous British bike collector. The bike's character reflects how it was enjoyed decades ago, rather than being over-modernized. With a clear Ohio title and strong visual presence, this Commando is ideal for collectors seeking originality, history, and the unmistakable identity Norton is known for. Number 5. 1974 Suzuki GT Triple, $7,800, North Carolina. This 1974 Suzuki GT is a true collector's machine, especially for fans of classic two-stroke triples. Finished in green, it's described as a strong runner that has recently completed a long-distance ride. Updates include new exhaust gaskets, intake components, and modern additions like a digital gear counter, while still preserving the bike's original character. Extra parts are also included, adding appeal for long-term ownership. Known for smooth power delivery and unique sound, this GT stands as a rare Japanese classic that continues to rise in collector interest. Number 6. 1958 Moto Guzzi Lodola 175, $7,000, Illinois. The 1958 Moto Guzzi Lodola is a lightweight Italian classic designed by Carlo Guzzi himself. Featuring original paint and engine, this 175cc overhead cam single represents elegant European engineering from the post-war era. With a top speed around 65 miles per hour, it was designed for spirited riding rather than brute force. The bike runs well and remains remarkably original, making it especially appealing to collectors. Lightweight, rare, and historically significant, this Lodola is a standout example of Moto Guzzi's early sporting legacy. Number 7. 1975 Honda CB360T, $5,250, Michigan. This restored 1975 Honda CB360T showcases Honda's reputation for reliability and thoughtful engineering. Retaining original paint, engine, and exhaust, this bike balances restoration with preservation. Everything functions as intended, with only minor quirks such as a slow-moving tachometer. Included manuals and tools enhance its appeal for collectors. With a clean Michigan title, this CB360T is ideal for riders seeking a dependable vintage machine that still feels authentic. It's a manageable, enjoyable classic suitable for both city rides and weekend cruising. Number 8. 1975 BMW R75/6, $3,900, Michigan. The BMW R75/6 is known for durability, smooth performance, and long-distance comfort. This 1975 example features low miles, touring panniers, rebuilt carburetors, and thoughtful upgrades like stainless brake lines and aluminum rims. The second year of BMW's front disc brake system adds practicality while maintaining classic style. Well cared for and properly serviced, this R75/6 offers a refined vintage riding experience. It's an excellent choice for riders who value reliability, comfort, and timeless German engineering. Number 9. 1973 Yamaha RT360, $3,600, Georgia. Built for rugged use, the 1973 Yamaha RT360 is a classic off-road machine with a fully rebuilt engine. Featuring new drivetrain components, brakes, cables, and lighting, it runs and shifts strongly. This pre-mixed two-stroke delivers the raw mechanical feel vintage dirt bike enthusiasts appreciate. While it comes with a bill of sale rather than a title, its mechanical condition and completeness make it a strong candidate for trail riding or vintage competition. It's a purpose-built classic that reflects Yamaha's off-road heritage. Number 10. 1964 BSA Star 350, $4,000, Ohio. This fully restored 1964 BSA B40 Star 350 is a rare British single with documented history. Sold new in London, it has undergone a complete nut and bolt restoration, including a professionally rebuilt engine. The bike runs and is roadworthy, supported by receipts, manuals, and restoration photos. This Star 350 represents traditional British craftsmanship in its purest form. For collectors seeking a historically accurate restoration with solid mechanical work, this BSA is a standout offering. Number 11. 1975 Triumph Trident, $9,900, North Carolina. The Triumph Trident is famous for its three-cylinder performance and distinctive sound. This 1975 example remains well preserved, with original paint and numerous mechanical updates ensuring reliability. Garage-kept and carefully maintained, it reflects responsible ownership rather than excessive modification. With its smooth power delivery and classic British styling, this Trident appeals to collectors who want both rideability and originality. It's a premium example of Triumph's ambitious engineering era. Number 12. 1973 Norton Commando 850 Dunstall, $8,000, Indiana. This 1973 Norton Commando 850 Dunstall is a rare factory collaboration featuring authentic Dunstall performance components. From the exhaust to the rear sets, this bike represents a high-performance variant that collectors actively seek. The seller notes all correct parts are present, reinforcing its authenticity. With strong visual identity and historical significance, this Commando stands apart from standard models. It's a serious collector's piece for enthusiasts of British performance motorcycles. Number 13. 1976 BMW R90/6, $4,750, Indiana. The 1976 BMW R90/6 offers a balanced mix of power, refinement, and longevity. With under 23,000 miles, this well-maintained example runs flawlessly and reflects BMW's commitment to engineering excellence. The R90/6 is known for its smooth ride and dependable performance, making it suitable for both collectors and active riders. This bike represents a classic era of BMW motorcycles that continues to earn respect for its durability and timeless design. Number 14. 1973 Moto Guzzi Dorado, $6,500, South Carolina. The Moto Guzzi Dorado is an iconic touring motorcycle with unmistakable Italian character. This example features the desirable 4-leading shoe front brake and extensive mechanical updates completed over several years. With floorboards, luggage, and a comfortable seating setup, it's built for long-distance cruising. Everything is reported to function correctly, making it a solid runner rather than just a display bike. The Dorado remains a unique alternative to American touring classics. Number 15. 1980 Yamaha XS400 SG, $500, Iowa. Closing the list is one of the most affordable classics available today. This 1980 Yamaha XS400 SG runs with a jump start and has recently cleaned carburetors. While it needs a new battery and shows cosmetic wear, it comes with a title and is priced accordingly. For beginners, budget builders, or anyone looking to enter the classic motorcycle world without a large investment, this XS400 SG offers real potential at a very accessible price. That's today's lineup from Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoy real listings and real prices, subscribe for more classic motorcycles for sale across America, updated every day.